The story of our universe is far from over. Though our time is brief, the cosmos will continue to evolve for trillions of years. In this video, we'll travel through time to witness 15 incredible future events, cosmic milestones that will unfold long after humanity is gone. We'll use our imagination to explore the fate of our planet, our star, and our galaxy. So, buckle up. We're about to leave the present and venture into the deep, uncharted waters of the cosmic future. Let's begin our voyage. Our first stop is the reversal of Earth's magnetic poles, a phenomenon that could happen within the next few thousand years. Earth's magnetic field, generated by its molten core, shields us from solar and cosmic radiation. But this field is dynamic and has flipped hundreds of times in Earth's history. During a reversal, the field weakens, leaving our technology and power grids vulnerable to solar storms. Migratory animals would struggle, and compasses would become unreliable. Life would adapt, as it has before, but the event would be a profound reminder of our planet's ever-changing nature. The next flip is not an apocalypse, but a global disruption. Fast forward 100,000 years, humanity is gone. Our cities crumble, reclaimed by nature. Forests and wildlife return. Only the most durable monuments, like the pyramids or Mount Rushmore, might endure as enigmatic relics. Our true legacy may be the Voyager probes, drifting through interstellar space, carrying the story of Earth. Long after our world is reshaped by time, these tiny emissaries will carry the ghost of humanity into the cosmic ocean. Our mark on the universe will be subtle, but enduring. 50,000 years from now, Earth's climate cycles may trigger a new ice age. Driven by changes in our planet's orbit and tilt, glaciers will advance, reshaping continents and burying cities under ice. Sea levels will drop, exposing new land. Life will adapt to the cold, as it has before. The return of the glaciers is a reminder that Earth's rhythms operate on timescales far beyond our own. Our species once thrived in such an era. Future life will find its own way. The planet's story continues, indifferent to our presence. Jump ahead a billion years. The sun grows brighter, slowly heating Earth. Oceans evaporate, water vapor thickens the atmosphere, and a runaway greenhouse effect takes hold. Hydrogen escapes into space, and the oceans shrink until they vanish. The once blue planet becomes a scorched, barren desert. The great ocean basins are exposed for the first time in billions of years. Earth transforms from a vibrant water world to a dry, inhospitable wasteland. Our home becomes more like Venus than the planet we know. The sun's evolution seals Earth's fate. With the oceans gone, life's last stand begins. Plants and animals perish. Only hardy microbes cling to existence in extreme environments. Eventually, even these extremophils succumb as the last water boils away. The 4 billion-year chain of life is broken. Earth becomes a silent, sterile world, orbiting a relentless sun. The story of life ends, but the planet remains as a memorial to what once was. For a time, microbes endure, but ultimately, all life is extinguished. The cradle of life becomes its tomb. 600 million years from now, the moon will have drifted far enough from Earth to end total solar eclipses. This slow retreat is caused by tidal interactions between Earth and the moon. In the distant past, the moon loomed larger. In the future, it will appear smaller. Total eclipses will become impossible, replaced by annular Ring of Fire events. A unique cosmic coincidence will be lost forever. The night sky will never look quite the same. Even the moon's presence is temporary in cosmic time. 4.5 billion years from now, the Milky Way and Andromeda galaxies will collide. This galactic merger will unfold over millions of years, reshaping both galaxies. Stars will rarely collide, but their orbits will be flung into new patterns. The night sky will be transformed, with Andromeda dominating the heavens. Eventually, the two galaxies will merge into a new giant elliptical galaxy, Milky Way. Their central black holes will combine, sending out gravitational waves. A burst of star formation will light up the new galaxy. Our spiral home will be gone, replaced by something grander. Around the same time, our sun will exhaust its hydrogen fuel and swell into a red giant. It will engulf Mercury and Venus, and possibly Earth, or leave it a scorched cinder. After shedding its outer layers as a planetary nebula, the Sun's core will remain as a white dwarf. This dense, Earth-sized remnant will slowly cool for trillions of years. The era of our Sun will end in a quiet fade, not a bang. The solar system will be transformed forever. The Sun's death marks the end of an era for our corner of the cosmos. Only a faint ember will remain. The Sun's death is also a beginning. Its elements will seed new stars and planets across the galaxy. For trillions of years, star formation will continue, though it will slow as hydrogen runs out. The last stars to form will be red dwarfs, burning dimly for trillions of years. These tiny stars will be the universe's final lights. The cosmic cycle of birth and death will gradually wind down. The universe will begin to dim. 100 trillion years from now, star formation ends. The universe is filled with white dwarfs, the cooling remnants of dead stars. The sky grows dark as these stellar embers slowly fade. Galaxies become ghostly collections of degenerate objects. Over unimaginable timescales, white dwarfs cool and dim, slipping into darkness. The universe enters a quiet twilight, populated by the corpses of a trillion suns. The age of light is over. Over quadrillions of years, white dwarfs cool to become black dwarfs, cold, dark, and invisible. No black dwarfs exist yet. The universe is too young. These star-sized diamonds drift silently through the eternal night. Their existence is theoretical, but inevitable. The universe becomes a cosmic cemetery, filled with these gravestones. All that remains is darkness and silence. The last embers of the cosmos have gone out. In the far future, black holes dominate, galaxies dissolve, supermassive black holes remain as cosmic anchors. Occasionally, stellar remnants collide or are consumed, but the universe is mostly empty and quiet. Black holes patiently sweep up the last debris of the stelliferous era. For eons, they are the last active objects in a dying cosmos. Gravity reigns in the darkness. Even black holes are not eternal. Through Hawking radiation, they slowly evaporate over unimaginable timescales. A black hole the mass of our Sun takes 10⁻�67 years to vanish. Supermassive ones last even longer. In their final moments, they erupt in a flash of gamma rays, releasing their energy back into the void. One by one, black holes disappear, leaving nothing behind. The last fireworks of the universe fade. The cosmos is left empty. After the last black hole evaporates, the universe enters the dark era. Only fundamental particles remain, drifting through an endless, cold void. Even protons may eventually decay, dissolving all matter into a thin soup of particles. No structure, no events, no change, just darkness and silence. Time loses meaning. The universe reaches maximum entropy. This is the heat death, the final equilibrium. The cosmic story ends in stillness. We have reached the end of our journey, the universe's final silent state. No light, no heat, no structure, only infinite darkness. Some speculate a new Big Bang could arise from quantum fluctuations, but this is pure theory. For all practical purposes, the story's over. The universe has given all it had to give. In the end, there is only quiet peace. The universe's future may be cold and dark, but we are here now, alive and aware. Our brief moment is precious, a product of cosmic evolution. We can look out, understand, and appreciate the universe's story. Cherish the stars, the warmth of the sun, and the wonder of existence. Our time is finite, but glorious.